Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be unboxing the July Glossybox. As you can see here, it's come in its usual pink and black box, and let's have a look at what's inside. So this month's theme is holiday haul, which obviously given the time of the year makes perfect sense. I won't open up and see what's inside because it will spoil the content, so let's have a look in the box itself. Let's take off this. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, I'm going to go straight for this product here because this is the product that we were told about last month, and this is the Moroccan oil treatment. This is a product that I already have, although I do believe I have the light one of these. I think this is just the normal one, and I absolutely love this product. It is really great at making my hair feel nice and soft and taming the frizz slightly. And this is a 25ml bottle, which is the same size bottle that I have now, and I think I'm about, I've got this much left, so not much to go at all. It is actually a product that is in my project pan for this year, so I'm hoping I'm going to get it finished soon, but I'm glad to have a bottle that I can now go straight onto because I do really enjoy it. And I think I was actually going to purchase another one of these using my glossy credits from this month, from the surveys that I was going to do for this month. I was going to actually purchase it because I do really like it that much. So when I seen it was a sneak peek, it was good because it meant that I didn't run out and purchase it and did wait. So this should last me a good while because you don't need much of this item at all. A little does go a long way and it just leaves your hair smelling amazing. Then we'll go for this one on top here. This is the Boots Own Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Peel Off Face Mask. I'm not a massive fan of the scent of things that are tea tree and witch hazel, but I do know they are really good for your skin. This says it deep cleans and tightens pores and helps remove blackheads. So it is just a liquid one that you apply over your face and it does actually peel off. These used to be my favourite kinds of masks, but I do feel like I have been slightly waxing my face because I've noticed I've got a bit more peach fuzz than I used to because I was using a lot of peel off masks. I now do prefer a sheet mask, and if you've seen a recent video I have actually subscribed to a sheet mask subscription service. So I'll have to have a little think about whether I'm going to use this or not, or possibly pass it to a friend or put it in a future giveaway. Again, it's not the two things that I like, tea tree, witch hazel or peel off, so we'll have to see about that one. Then we have this interesting looking contraption. This is a Manicadar Bloom mascara in jet black. I really like the packaging of that. We've had quite a few things from the brand Manicadar in mainly Glossybox I think, but I do believe they've cropped up in other subscription services as well. The things that I've tried have only been okay, and I think they are more of a higher end brand, so I will be happy to give this one a go. I am desperately trying to finish up a lot of the mascaras that I have open at the moment because I did end up with quite a lot open, probably too many open. So I'm not going to take this out of the packaging or open it up yet until I've finished a good few that I've got. But then I am so keen to give this a go, but I do really like that packaging. Then we have the Omaroviska, probably completely wrong, cleansing foam. That's in Hungarian, that's why I can't pronounce it, so it's from Budapest. So this I think is just a face wash, as the name would suggest, saying cleaning foam. So I don't mind foaming face washes. I haven't had much luck with them in the past, but I'm keen to give this one a go. It's a nice little size, it'd be good for travel. Obviously the point of this is for going on holiday, so that would be perfect to take on holiday with you because it is nice and flat and obviously made of plastic as well, and it is 30ml, so it is a decent amount of product that it would last you the whole length of a holiday. I've not heard of the brand before, I don't know how good it is or anything like that, so I'm keen to give this one a go. And then the final product is Palmer's Coconut Oil Natural Bronze Body Lotion Gradual Tan. Okay, so with natural vegetable based tanning ingredients, 24-hour moisture. Apply to clean dry skin to achieve the desired level of colour. So I presume it is kind of like the old school, was it the Johnson's Holiday Skin I used to use probably about 10 or 15 years ago now. That was a kind of moisturiser with a bit of gradual tan in it. That did have a kind of unique smell to it that I don't think I ever got the scent out of my nose. So if this does smell like the Palmer's coconut oil, then that will be a nice scent. Let me see if it's got a seal on it. No. Okay, so that does smell really nice. It is, to me, more of a food coconut scent, if that makes sense. When you do have a body lotion or something that's coconut scented, my first thought is always suntan lotion, but that smells like natural coconut. It does say it contains fair trade coconut oil, so that is a really nice scent to it. It doesn't smell artificial in the slightest, which is nice, but I would have to be very careful with this because I have had some, even just with a gradual tanning moisturiser, some bad tanning incidents where I've ended up looking a bit orange. So I'm keen to give it a go. I do hope that this is a paler one rather than a dark. I'm just by the colour of the packaging, I'm hoping it's not the dark one. But something different, I suppose, and I am looking very pale and the sun just isn't coming out here in the UK, so I'm not getting the tan that I do quite like to have at this time of year. So let's go over the prices because I think that is it. Yeah, that's the 5 items. So as I say, the theme is holiday haul. And here we have the items. So the first one is the cleansing foam, which I'm not going to try and pronounce again. So this says that the full size is £52 and this little 30ml one is worth £18. £18 is a lot to spend on a face wash for me, but that's more than the box paid for, I suppose, so if it's nice it's probably worth it. Then we have the Natural Bronze Body Lotion. The 20ml that we've received is worth £2.49, the full size is 250ml worth £5.99. So it looks like there are 2 formulations we could have got. I don't know what the difference in them is. Obviously this one looks like it's a paler colour. They do both say body lotion on them, so hopefully I haven't got the dark one. Just based on the 2 colours, that one might have been a bit better for me. But as I said in the past, I do like that they actually break down what the one you've got is worth as opposed to the full size price. Then up here we have the Moroccan oil. So we got the travel size, which is 25ml worth £13.45, which I kind of test to because that's nearly what I paid for it. Then the full size 100ml is £31.85. Even though I do really like this product, I was still only going to buy the travel size one because I just can't spend £30 in one go when I know the £13 bottle is going to last me long enough anyway. Then we have the Manicadar Bloom Mascara. This is a full size and it is £23. I did remember it being a higher end brand. £23 is a lot more than what I normally pay for a mascara. The highest end I probably buy is kind of Benefit, which is about £21, but that is a brand that I kind of know and trust, so I don't mind paying that price. And then finally we have the Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Peel Off or Charcoal Face Mask is the other one we could have received, which I presume is going to be a wash off one. It is the travel size that we've received and that is worth £1 and the full sizes are £3.50 and £4 respectively. But not a bad selection of products. I can see where they've gone with the theme of holiday, especially with these 2 here, and I don't really tend to take face masks on holiday with me. It's not a step that I'm that bothered about doing. I wouldn't tend to take a glass bottle of Moroccan oil, but that's my personal opinion, and I do tend to take travel mascaras when I go on holiday, so I can see where they were going, but only a couple of these products I would say yes, I would take them on holiday. And actually this is just tan themed, so not necessarily something I take on holiday because I'd like to think I'm going somewhere sunny where I could get a tan. But overall, not too bad. Not my favourite month, but the fact that I've got this has meant that this month is worth it already, and the rest of these items are just a bonus because I was going to pay £13 for this. Well, I was going to use my credits, but still I was going to pay £13, and I've got this box for £10, and I've got these products that are extra, so not too bad. But the last couple of boxes with Glossybox, to be honest, have just been okay, so I am considering about cancelling it, but I'm on a 3-month plan which I think ends next month, and then I'm going to have to make the decision whether to re-sign up come September. So let's see if there's a sneak peek for next month, and yes there is. Okay, we've got another product by Huda Beauty, which is good. So it says August is their birthday, marking the special occasion with the only way they know how, pink sparkles and glitter. To celebrate, they are giving us a Huda Beauty strobing metallic lip gloss. a light rosé hue with gold reflections. This lip gloss will add a touch of shimmer and shine to your pout. So happy it's Huda Beauty, not so happy that it's a metallic lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss wearer. I'm also, even if it was a metallic liquid lipstick, I probably still wouldn't have worn that. So this may be an item that is going to be going straight to a friend or straight into a future giveaway, because it's not an item I'm going to wear, I don't think, unless I suddenly change my mind by next month. But it's good that they are including another well-known brand, and Huda Beauty is good from the products I've tried. I just wish it was one of their liquid lipsticks. But obviously that's the only sneak peek that they have put in for this month. So overall, not the worst box, but definitely not the best. Let's just put the items back that I got. So we have the face mask, Moroccan oil, mascara, foaming cleanser, and gradual tanner. Let me know what your thoughts of this box are. Do they shout summer and holidays to you? If you are interested in signing up in Glossybox, I do always have a link in my description box, which I believe gets you 20% off your first box. It is an affiliate link, and I believe I do get some Glossy credits put into my account if you do use that link, so thank you in advance if you do. Don't forget, I do have an ongoing giveaway on my channel, which was started on the 10th of July, which was for my birthday, and that will be running until the 10th of August. So I will link that video in the card so you can go and enter that if you are interested. Other than that, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.